Okay, so now sasagutan natin yung ating quiz in applying the distance formula, no? So as you already know, pwede nating sagutan itong ating mga problems without the need of plotting the points, and drawing the line. Okay, so we can directly use our distance formula in here to answer the question, But just to have a good visual representation ng ating problem here, I'm going to plot it on this plane coordinate, no? So, hindi na ako magiging specific sa location. Hindi ko na siya nilagyan ng mga scaling dito na para maging eksakto tayo sa lugar. We don't need that on this problem because we will just be applying the distance formula, no? So, para lang makita natin kung ano yung itsura ng line or distance na hinahanap natin, okay? So, our point A is negative 2 and negative 3. So, I would assume that it is somewhere right here, no? Because we have negative 2 of x and negative 3 ng ating y. So, I can assume that it is somewhere right here, okay? So, this is our point A, no? And then, we need to locate our point B. Our point B is in 1, 0. So, nandito lang siya sa ating x-axis. So, 1 unit to the right. So, ito ang ating point B, more or less, no? So, we are just assuming the location, no? So, hindi tayo specific sa location natin kasi we don't need that on this particular problem dahil gagamitin natin yung ating distance formula, no? Okay, so now let us connect these points para makita natin kung alin yung distance na kailangan nating makuha, no? And then, we are going to label this distance to be D, no? I-apply na natin yung ating distance formula. So, our distance formula is D is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. And these are both squared, no? So, para maging madali yung substitution natin, I will write here the coordinates, no? So, I will have here negative 2, negative 3. And for point B, I have 1 and 0. Okay? So, this is a comma right there. Okay? Okay, so now we are going to substitute our x and y coordinates dito sa ating distance formula. So, our D is equal to the square root of what is our x2? Our x2 is 1. And this is minus our x1. What is our x1? Negative 2. And this is squared. Plus, what is our y2? Our y2 is equal to 0. Minus, what is our y1? Our y1 is negative 3. So, I have negative 3 in here, squared. Okay? So, D is equal to the square root of 1 minus negative 2. So, negative times negative, we will have here 1 plus 2 squared plus then 0 minus negative 3. So, negative times negative, you will have positive 3 squared. Okay? So, our D is equal to the square root of 1 plus 2 will be 3. So, 3 squared plus 3 squared, diba? So, therefore, we will have here D is equal to the square root of 9 plus 9. Or D is equal to the square root of 18. So, we know that 18 is not a perfect square. So, we need to factor this out. We know that 18 is also equal to 2 times 9, diba? So, therefore, our D is equal to the square root of 2 times 9. Okay? But 9 is a perfect square. So, we can write this as D is equal to the square root of 2 times 3 squared. Okay? So, as per the rule of roots and radicals, we can take the square root of this 3 squared and we will leave our 2 inside our radical sign. So, therefore, we will have here D. What is the square root of 3 squared, it will be 3. And then may iwan ang ating square root of 2. So this is our answer here. We have distance is equal to 3 square root of 2 units. Okay, so this is our final answer for this problem. Alright, so sana nag-gets ninyo yan, ano? Hindi naman siya ganun ka-komplikado if we understood yung ating previous lectures. Okay, so now, let's go to problem number 2. Again, I will just plot itong ating mga points. So, our A is located 5 and negative 12. So, I will assume that it is somewhere here. Positive 5, negative 12. It will be somewhere here. Okay? So, this is our point A. It coordinates 5, negative 12. And then, locate natin yung ating point B. Our point B is in origin. It is on 0, 0. Okay? So, yan ang ating point B. So, this is a comma. Okay? Medyo makukumpis tayo dahil mali ang ating writing. So, this is point B, 0, 0. Okay? So, susulat natin ang ating distance, no? Para maging mas malinaw tayo sa ating computation. So, ito yung distance na gusto nating makuha. And we will label this distance as D. Okay? So, again, gamitin natin yung ating distance formula. Our distance formula is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Okay? So, in here, I will write this as our point 1 and this is our point 2. No? So, this will be my x1 and this will be my y1 and this will be my x2 and this is my y2. Okay, so let us substitute that here. So our D is equal to the square root of, okay, so I have x2 is equal to 0 minus x1. Our x1 is equal to 5. So this is squared plus our y2 is equal to 0 minus y1. Our y1 is equal to negative 12. Okay? So, this is squared. Okay, so let us work this out. D is equal to the square root of 0 minus 5 will be negative 5 squared plus 0 minus negative 12. So, negative times negative will be positive 12 squared. Okay? So, we will have here D is equal to the square root of negative 5 squared is equal to 25 positive plus 12 squared is equal to 144. Okay? So, D is equal to the square root of 25 plus 144 is equal to 169. And 169 is a perfect square. So, our D is equal to the square root of 169. This is equal to 13 units. Okay? So, this is our final answer for this problem. And this is letter B dito sa ating mga choices, ano? And I'll go back sa ating problem number 1. Nakalimutan natin siyang in-circle kung anong letter siya. So, our answer is 3 square root of 2 units, which is letter D. Okay? So, now let's go to problem number 3. Now, for problem number 3, I will plot again our point. Our point A is on 0, negative 4, okay? So, our x is 0 and our y is negative 4. So, I will assume it is somewhere right here. So, this is our point A, which is 0, negative 4. And then, let us locate point B. Our point B is on 3, 0, okay? So, I would assume it is somewhere right here. Okay, so this is our point B. Okay, so meron tayong comma rito. Okay? Now, let me write again the line para ma-visualize natin siya ng mabuti. And then, I'm going to label this as D. Okay? So, now, let us solve for D, the distance between point A and point B. So, our distance formula, once again, is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Okay? So, yan ang ating distance formula. So, let me substitute our coordinates here. Okay, so our x2 is equal to 3 minus x1. Our x1 is equal to 0 and this is squared. So, plus y2, our y2 is equal to 0 minus y1, our y1 is negative 4. And this is squared. Okay, so we're going to work this out. We have D is equal to the square root of 3 minus 0 will be 3 squared plus 0 minus negative 4 will be positive 4 and this is squared. So our D is equal to the square root of 3 squared is equal to 9 plus 4 squared is equal to 16. Okay? So, therefore, our D is equal to the square root of 9 plus 16 will be 25. And the square root of 25 is equal to 5. So, our D is equal to 5 units. This is our final answer for this problem. And sa ating choices, this is letter C. Okay, so now let's go to the next problem. So problem number 4, we have point A in 2, 7 and point B in negative 1, 4. So let me plot our points. Okay, so our point A is in 2, 7. So I would assume it is somewhere right here. Okay, so I will write this as point A, 2 and 7. And then, I will locate point B. No? Nasaan yung ating point B? Negative 1 and 4. So, I would assume somewhere here. Okay? So, again, I will label this as point B. Negative 1, 4. So, sulat na natin yung ating line. So, here is our line. And then, I'm going to label this as D. Okay? So, now, gamitin na uli natin yung ating distance formula. So, our D is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So, substitute natin yung ating mga coordinates dito, no? So, we have D is equal to the square root of, okay, what is our x2? Our x2 is negative 1 minus our x1. Our x1 is positive 2. This is squared plus our y2 is equal to 4 minus our y1 which is 7. And this is squared. Okay. So now let us calculate this further. Negative 1 minus 2 will be negative 3. Okay, so I have negative 3 squared plus 4 minus 7 will be equal also to negative 3 squared. So we have here D is equal to, okay, so the square root of negative 3 squared will be 9 plus negative 3 squared is also equal to 9. So our D is equal to the square root of 18. And 18 is not a perfect square, so we have to work this out, no? So we will have D is equal to the square root of 9 times 2. Because 18 is equal to 9 times 2. Okay? So now we can take the square root of 9 because 9 is a perfect square. So this is equal to 3 squared times 2. So therefore our D is equal to the square root of 3 squared, which is 3. And then may iwan ang ating square root of 2. So this is our answer right here. Our answer is 3 square root of 2 units. And this is letter B dito sa ating mga choices. No? 3 square root of 2 units. Okay? And now for our last question. We have point A at 1, negative 1. So let me plot this again. No? So our point A is in 1, negative 1. So I could assume it's somewhere here. And then let me label this first. No, this is point A, which is 1, negative 1. And then let me locate point B. Point B is in 1, 7. So it's somewhere here. So vertical line siya, no? Kasi pareho yung ating x-coordinate ng point A and point B. Okay? So, nung mga naunang problem natin, sinusolve natin to by just, subtracting our x or y coordinate kung saan sila parallel, no? But on this case, I will use the distance formula para maipakita sa inyo na yung distance formula is actually can be used even if they are parallel sa x or y axis natin, no? So ito yung ating line. And I will label this as point D. Okay? So pwede natin gamitin yung distance formula kahit na vertical sila. So I will show that to you. So our D is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So substitute natin yung ating mga coordinates. D is equal to our x2 is equal to 1 minus our x1, which is equal to 1 also, no? This is squared plus our y2 is equal to 7 minus our y1 is equal to negative 1. And this is squared, okay? So our D is equal to the square root of 1 minus 1 will be 0. So I have 0 squared plus 7 minus negative 1. So negative times negative will be positive. So I have plus 1 here. So 7 plus 1 will be 8 squared. Okay? So now we have here D is equal to the square root of 0 squared is 0. No? So we don't need to write that. So plus 8 squared. So I have 8 squared here. So what is the square root of 8 squared? This is equal to 8. So our D is equal to 8 units. Okay, so ayan ang ating sagot dito, no? And this is letter A dito sa ating mga choices, no? And if you remember sa previous na napag-aralan natin, no, we can use our formula here in getting the distance D to be equal to y2 minus y1. Kung naalala ninyo yung ating previous lesson. So this is equal to y2 minus y1. Dahil pareho ang ating x-coordinate ng point A at point B. So our D is equal to, what is our y2? Our y2 is 7. Minus our y1. Our y1 is negative 1. So therefore, D is equal to 7 minus negative 1. Negative times negative is positive. So I have 7 plus 1. So our D is equal to 8 units. So pareho lang yung naging sagot natin. So pinakita lang natin that in solving using the distance formula, it will be applied kahit na vertical or horizontal pa man yung nakuha nating line segment, no? So these are the answers sa ating quiz, and I hope you got all the correct answers.